This is what your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like after customization. This tutorial I will be showing that how to customize your Windows 11 default start menu and taskbar as well. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got really amazing start menu style for Windows 11. To use this start menu style, you have to install this software called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. Just download and install it. After installation, we have to install some script. First, click on Explorer and we're going to install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it, and then go to this folder and first copy this taskbar height and icon size script, and then click on advanced and paste it here, and then click on save. Now open this taskbar mods and copy this script. Then we have to install taskbar installer. Click on install and install it. Click on advanced and paste it here, then save. Now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 statement installer. Click on details and install it. Okay, now open start menu and copy this, then go to advanced and paste it here and click on save. Okay, if you see an error like this, just go to this settings and turn on this disable new statement layout, and then click on save, and that's it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 start menu to a new start menu style. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next customization video.